Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. D.D. Kosambi is a pioneer of nationalist historiography or Marxist historiography or subaltern historiography, and lastly we are given imperial historiography. So the right answer is that D.D. Kosambi or Damodar Dharmananda Kosambi was a pioneer of Marxist historiography. He was also an Indian mathematician, statistician, historian, and polymath who contributed to genetics by introducing Kosambi's map function. Okay, Kosambi is an inspiration to many across the world especially to the Marxist scholars. Okay, he is one of the few along with James Mill and Vincent Smith who has deeply influenced the writing of Indian history. Okay, therefore the right answer is option 2. So we here not only give the answer but try to give a small description or discussion about the answer also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.